Hi guys, welcome to this new setup. Yes, it's the one from end March 2021. So it's number 10 at this point in time, and we'll release it in a week. This is the date of now. Here, the 20th, we'll release it to the AAG, and then the world can go testing it again. I just made a video about ZSH and ALCI. And as a consequence, we have improved our ZSH config. So that's the way things go, right? I'm not here to make ArcoLinux dominate the Linux distributions. I'm not here to make money at all. I'm here to learn. That's my personal drive. Learn about Linux and then share it with you guys. So thanks to the project, like, well, first was ArcoLinux, right? Then was the ArcoLinux D. And by creating that D, the ArcoLinux ISOs get better. And then we got Carly, the ISO builder, to start building from scratch. Again, ArcoLinux and ArcoLinux D and all the Bs became better. And now we have this ArcoLinux Calamares installer. Again, thanks to a question on YouTube about ALCI, our ZSH got better. So we are learning all the time and sharing all the time. Now, if you do a Ctrl-Alt-T and you do an update, you'll see that we have a new ZSH in, right? A new version of ZSH. Now, if you want to know, Ctrl-C, if you want to know what's going on, backup scale. Then update. Yeah, this is BTRFS, so it kicks in. And then we have the communication with the guys, which we're gonna shut down for a while. And then backup scale again. Why and what is, right? What is, you know what is. Backup scale, just type it. That's it. Copy everything from etc scale to a scale backup. Why? This is Ctrl-H, by the way. If you forget, it's here. Show hidden files. Okay, Ctrl-H. These two guys, it's like going to the haircut. Before and after. Two pictures, two images, and you do a compare. You're not interested in the same things, you're interested in the difference. And because of the video I made for this user on this ALCI ISO or setup, right? Everything is the same, but this thing. I just found on the website of ZSH that you can actually tell to the system. Let's make this bigger. Let's go to ZSH itself, because then I can zoom in. And tell also that this thing down here, born again, bash. So it thinks it's bash, but let's see if we can have a ZSH. Nope, that's not possible. Okay, doesn't matter, because everything that's black is not used, right? So in here, well, first off, I'm total noob at ZSH. I use it for the random themes, and yes, we have our own aliases here as well. So I'm not a specialist. I dabble. But what I do know, what I have found out, is that this is interesting. We can have here a ZSH theme. Let's make this in color so you read it better. ZSH theme random candidates. So you can tell to the system, use this one, that one, and that one, because I found 10 beautiful themes and I want to randomize them every time. I'll get another one, but just from these 10. And another thing, and this is new, let's see, where are you? Let's have a look, see what happens. A scale, of course. Where did we update everything? Inside etc scale. Everything is overwritten. Boom, right? Everything is overwritten. Here it is again, ZSH random candidates. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, and this is the new line. So not only can you say, but I do think, guys, I don't know, this is just a copy paste from the internet. Not sure if it requires these guys, right? Because at the top it is like that. So we'll have to figure that out if what's correct. Is this correct? This is a copy paste from online, so I suppose this will work as well. The thing is, you can still set the theme to random, make a selection of the things that you liked, so it goes only in these guys, but also tell what themes to ignore. So what is an interesting idea, which I'll certainly try out, is put everything to random all the time, and every time I like something, I'm gonna put it in here, random candidates, extra, add them extra, right? But the ones I really hate, I'm gonna put them in here. I really don't like ZSH theme random ignored, so I'll never see them again. And that, I think, would be a great tip for you guys who are on ZSH, who want to try out ZSH. For us, it's simple in ArcoLinux. It's just do ZSH, boom, and we're on ZSH. It's as simple as that. So we are now on ZSH, and this, for instance, this is maybe something. Let's get rid of this. This maybe you like, right? If you see this here, these colors, they say, oh, I want to have that back. Well, that's called funky. Okay, Control Shift C, and then you go back and you go, well, actually, the super simple thing to do is Super Shift D, Sublime, because Sublime 3 just remembers it. So the one I like seems to be this one. I want to have it funky back next time. Random candidates, that's a good one. Really don't like this one, just too plain. Agnostor, don't know what it is, I'll have to test it out. But wow, right? Okay guys, have fun with ZSH.